Hi, this is Dr. Alex. I'm with Health Source of Decatur. We have Miss Bella here who is coming in for an adjustment. She's having some issues. She's got a bone in the oven or a pumpkin in the pasture, whatever you want to call it here. Yeah, and having some neck issues and definitely some lower back.
Lower back for sure.
Yeah, and some hip problems as well, right? And how far along are you?
32 weeks.
Okay. And we just want to show you guys how we can treat pregnancies here. It's pretty simple. We have a bench that we can kind of move this thing around a little bit so she's actually able to lay down on her tummy for the first time in a long time and provide some relief that way, so we can check her mid-back as well. And then we'll show you how we take care of her low back. All of this stuff's really gentle. Just really light movement. So we're going to go ahead and start with her neck here. So let's check you out this way. Sweetie, how's that neck been doing?
It's sore.
It needs a tune-up, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. And let's drop you this way here. Let it relax right there. That's perfect. Good. Beautiful. Beautiful. How's that pressure? We okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Let's check this side here. We're going to have a drop there. Good. And then we'll move one more. Good. Beautiful. Let's bring you up here. And we're going to drop back. So what we can do with this bench is kind of create a little separation so the baby can kind of hang down and there's not too much pressure on mommy's tummy. How are we doing here, Miss Bella? Are we okay? When's the last time you laid down on your stomach like this?
On my last visit.
On your last visit here, that's what I was about to say, right? So we have a little bit of tension here and here, so we can do some really light work in the thoracic spine here with her. I'm going to drop it down the rest of the way. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
How are we doing for space here? Too much? Too little? We just right?
We're just right.
Okay, perfect. How's your face here? We okay? You okay here?
Mm-hmm.
We good?
Perfect.
Okay. Let's do this for us, sweetie. Let me have you take a breath in, let it down. All the way good. Good. Again, in and out for me. All the way. Uh-huh. Good. You okay on the pressure?
Mm-hmm.
Now, if we ask you to hold your breath, will that be too much?
No.
Or you think that'll be okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's try that. Go ahead, take a breath in there. You can hold on to it, please. Good. And out, let it go. Can I try that one like 1.5 times? Is
It's
much?
really tight right there.
Yeah,
So yeah.
okay. We'll go just a little bit more. Okay, hold on. Good. Oh. Let it down. Good. There we go.
No, that was a good one.
Yeah. Oh, there's another one there too. Good. So now we're going to stand her up. We're going to check out her lower back and her pelvis too. Let's go ahead and bring you in. Sound out, okay? And then let's have you go ahead on your side. You can put your hip right there for me. We're going to have you here. Good.
Okay.
You know what? Yeah, just bring this forward here and just kind of hold on to your elbow. Okay. And so what we're going to do here is check the lumbopelvic joints and the sacroiliac joint here and just make sure we have motion through these joints here so those nerves are freed up. Right there for me, sweetie. Okay, and we're going to roll back here. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let me know. We're going to roll you if the pressure's too much. You tell me, okay? Sound good?
Okay.
Okay. Let's bring it in here. Good. Come with me. You all right?
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Let's check the other side. Same thing. Facing towards that window, please.
All right.
Uh-huh. Good. We're going to roll you same thing. Let me know if this is too much, okay? We good here?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yeah, that was great.
That was it right there,
Yeah, that was a good
Okay,
one.
let's have you on your back, face up. And let's stand up and check that neck again here. drop here. Good, just a little bit more. Let's check the other side. And just relax here, perfect, good. Just let it go there. Yes, beautiful, good. Let's stretch it here. That's pretty much it. How's that feel?
Fantastic.
Better?
Yeah, a lot less stiff.
Yes, phenomenal. And we can treat pregnancies pretty much all the way up to 39 weeks, give or take, just about a week before they're about to pop out. Because I don't need it to happen in this office here, okay? I'm actually going somewhere else for that. Any questions, please call, let us know, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll check you guys in the next video. Thank you.